So whenever you actually go ahead and then say something to Kimi right here, as long as you're signed in, everything is actually saved. So I can access my past chats by going around over here onto the sidebar right here, and I can see the chats right here. So you can go ahead right here, let's say for example, click on this particular chat and you can access your previous chat right here. You can also go around and click on all chat right here, just like this. And once you do that, you will be able to see your other chats as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here and type in meeting, then you do get meeting related chats right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you want to go around onto all chat, and then let's say, for example, search for Python, and then you see Python related script, try Python related chats right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can simply save. So everything is automatically saved right here. So your chats are saved and you can access it easily by going into all chat, as you can see right here. But for that, make sure you're signed in to your Kimi account. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.